we're gonna be going to Disneyland now, and we're gonna be walking. And look how pretty I look, like hair and like glasses, and then ew, I better hide my eyes. But like, look, see that? And then I have my diamond earrings on. I have my lip shade. I have my but first, coffee. I have my shorts, and I have my flannel, and I have my Converse. So yeah, see you in a bit when we start walking. It's gonna be so awkward when I'm vlogging because like it's gonna be a bunch of people and we're gonna go on the car ride. See you later.
Ahorita que entramos a una cerveza que les interesa. Viene nada ahí. No se vienen con los ojos bien colgados ahorita.
Ang tapo.
Titi na lang.
So guys, look, like that's the Disney castle. We're gonna go over it so we can ride that.
Good coffee. Here, you have to put this in your bag.
Hold up, let me like. There you go. Oh, the Enchanted Chamber, you should take a Leo there.
Yeah.
Oh wait, no, not there. Oh, you have to go around.
That's the stairs, right?
Okay, so like, I shouldn't be doing a vlog right now, but look guys, I'm driving! Woo! We're driving, like, I could totally do this, like, no! Oh my god, it's so hard. I'm driving, guys. I'm driving! Woo! Like, crap, oh crap, I'm so sorry, like.
Oh crap, I'm so sorry, like.